everybody. We are getting close to our final lesson. I mean, it's the final lesson, finishing touches. So that I'm gonna teach you is how to add start game and how to end it, and show add last messages. Okay, let's create this. Open our game maker and okay, open our last lesson and save it as our final lesson because I already had final. And okay, yeah. Now let's open the game info and change this like what I saw. Like what you saw on the intro. Just add here your instructions, information, for example, and your information here, anything you like. Okay, and instructions, yeah, instructions, anything you want to place here. And it's time to add your object player a hit point on game start. Let's say game start. Where is it? Game start. You will now have, well, use this one. Set lives. Let's say your lives will be 20, and excuse me, show it. Score caption. Just don't show the score. Don't show the health bar, but show the lives. Okay. Let's say do that to make it better. You'll see later. Lives left. Okay. So show that and okay, and add event and collision with the target bullet. Let's say your health will be minus -1, and so add the step event and control variables. If variable, oh, I'm sorry, not this one. We're gonna use the score. So if lives is equal to 0, we'll say it will do this. It will show a message. You failed horribly. There. And it will ask you, it's supposed to ask you test check question. It will ask you to restart the game. Sorry about that. Restart the game. Okay, add a new bracket and use this restart game, which means if the user says yes, it will restart the game. If not, it will skip this one and go to the next, which is, let's say, when he says no. Oh yeah, that's okay. And so no, that's not okay. We'll use this. If he didn't say yes, it should end the game. So okay, let's do that and let's just try it. Okay, now let's try dying. Kill me already. Okay, you failed horribly. Let's say I won't restart the game. Okay, it exited. So what we're gonna do here is use this on game start. It should show the game info. So let's just use this one. Show info. and that's it. And now we're going to, okay, I already thought that. And how to end the game. There are two ways to end the game. That's one, when you lose you fail horribly, but how if when you win? So let's add here the object control, and don't put any sprite there, and add event step, a step event, and here this one, check of, and not this one, just instant count. So it will always check how many object target is still on the field. If the number is equal to 0, if there are no object target on the room left, it will do exactly like what this does. But we're going to change that. Delete that, and let's see here. You killed them all. Awesome, like that. And it will ask you to restart the game and end the game. Let's just say that's a scenario and put it here. As you can see, it has question mark. It means it has no sprite. And save that. And okay, let's test it. Let's remove all the object target on the field first. And put one, let's say 2, and run the game. Okay, the information it says here now, blah blah blah. You put anything you want here, information or something, or what you want, and there you go. I'm gonna kill these two. Oops. Okay, now that's a fail. Let's see here. Object instance, object target. We're talking about object target. If the target is equal to 0, then it will do this. That's weird. Okay, let's test it. So let's say I'll draw here. I will this experimental just to make sure that the script is working. So I'm gonna use a GML script, draw text, and object player.x, object player.y. I used object there, object player.y, and instance count. No, instant number, and instance number, object target. Consider this like an overview to your next to GML, something like that. It says here unknown function instance number, so it means I'm wrong here. Number, there you go, and okay that, and save it. Try to save it. Okay, now I got here. It says 14. Why it says 14? It should only be 2. Oh, I'm sorry. There's 13 instances in the room. Oh my god, I didn't see this. Now there you go, you can see the errors when you use something like that methods. And now let's see, the game should be okay now. Okay, there's two. It says two and I killed that. It says one now. Ouch. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see that. I just pressed space there. Okay, and just killed them. Those two. Okay. Start the game though, so it will exit. And there you go. Okay, it means it worked. Let's delete that. Okay, so I've already taught you that how to add start or the game end and that. So we're gonna add there to execute now your program. Wait, let's do some finalizing here. I'm sorry, that should be final. Let's add the caption program. Okay, the killer smiley. Let's say killer smiley. That will be the name in here when you get the game. Okay, that the game info should go first, and see the killer smiley it says, and there you go. That should be a game, and you can do a remodeling of your battlefield. This battlefield looks really stupid. You can add something like this, like that, and there you go. Just okay that and save it for additional informations. See here, let's say your company is company one incorporated or something like that. Incorporated, yeah, anything you want to put there, and the builds there, special keys, loading, you can change this if you want. The author, you, let's put there you, for example. And okay, finalize your game, add something what you want, add things you want there, change your sprite, make it more cooler, and use this create executable. Let's say I'll create my executable here in let's say in here my public, and final lesson, final, let's say this smiley. Sorry for my files. Please don't pick, and save that, saving executable, and exit now, and open it. You can change the icon if you want. Here you can change this icon. Let's say let's exit that. Oh, this is my videos. Let's say this is smiley that exit. See there, it says company one. So open, and there you go. Your game will work on almost every Windows computer. There you go. That should be the final of it. You see, I'm planning to make a more advanced video using GML now. I plan to use GML and not drag and drop, but I think it's gonna take some time now that they're using at Yo-Yo Games. At Yo-Yo Games now they have the powerful Game Maker Studio. So I'm thinking if the next tutorials will be Game Maker Studio or Game Maker 8 still, just because look at this is my problem here. Look at the price. I don't have that much money, but I can say that Game Maker Studio is a very good software. I can say that. Just look at this. It has Mac OS export, Windows PC export, and Windows 8. Also these these are very good. Yo-Yo compiler, Android export, HTML export, iOS export, the Ubuntu Linux export. See, there are many things you can do at Game Maker. Especially this one you can download free. I think I had that one, the free download, but not registered. So that's all for this long, more than 12 lessons. We tackled them all, and I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience, and goodbye.